When it comes to boosting your flower mound home's curb appeal, one of the most effective and often overlooked upgrades is outdoor lighting installation. Not only does it highlight your home's unique features, but it also adds warmth, ambiance, and a welcoming feel. Whether you're looking to sell your home, host outdoor gatherings, or simply enhance your space, professional outdoor lighting can transform your home's exterior and create a striking first impression. Here's how outdoor lighting installation can elevate the curb appeal of your flower mound home. Highlighting your home's best features. Outdoor lighting can emphasize the architectural elements of your home and landscape that make it stand out. With the right placement and design, lighting can highlight your home's unique features, such as its front door, walkways, landscaping, or statues. For example, placing spotlights or floodlights on your home's facade can draw attention to beautiful brickwork, a decorative front porch, or an elegant entryway. Uplighting your trees or focal points like garden sculptures or water features can make them pop after dark, giving your home an impressive appearance from the street. Well-placed path lights along walkways and driveways not only make your home more inviting but also help guide guests to your front door. These lighting techniques ensure that your home looks just as impressive at night as it does during the day. Creating a welcoming atmosphere. The first impressions matter, and the exterior of your home is the first thing people see when they arrive. Proper outdoor lighting can create a welcoming atmosphere that draws people in. Soft lighting around the front porch or near your front door can provide a cozy, inviting feel that makes visitors feel at ease. Whether it's a subtle wash of light or a few strategically placed lantern-style lights, a well-lit entrance instantly creates a sense of warmth and hospitality. Outdoor lighting installation can also add character to your flower mound home by complementing its architectural style and landscaping. For homes with a more traditional or rustic design, vintage-style lanterns or decorative sconces near the door create an inviting, charming atmosphere. For more modern homes, sleek, minimalist lighting can enhance the home's contemporary design, making it appear more sophisticated and chic. Increasing security and safety. One of the primary benefits of outdoor lighting is its role in improving security. Well-lit areas around your home make it more difficult for intruders to approach unnoticed. Lighting up dark corners and entry points, such as the front door, back door, and windows, deters potential burglars from targeting your home. Motion-sensing lights along pathways, garage doors, and other high-risk areas are an excellent way to add an extra layer of security. In addition to security, outdoor lighting improves the safety of your home by eliminating tripping hazards. Properly lit walkways, stairs, and driveways help guests and family members navigate your property safely, especially at night. Whether you're coming home after dark or hosting guests for an evening party, well-lit exterior areas prevent accidents and make everyone feel safe. Boosting property value. Outdoor lighting installation is not only an aesthetic upgrade, it can also increase the value of your home. Well-designed outdoor lighting adds sophistication and elegance, making your property stand out in the neighborhood. Homes with professional outdoor lighting are often seen as more desirable by potential buyers, as it signals that the property has been well cared for and thoughtfully designed. By upgrading your home's exterior with modern, energy-efficient outdoor lighting, you are also investing in long-term value. Outdoor lighting enhances your home's appeal and ensures that it looks beautiful both day and night, which can be an attractive feature when you're selling your home. Whether you're enhancing the front yard, the backyard, or both, investing in professional lighting can yield a high return on investment, ROI, when it's time to put your home on the market. Creating ambiance for evening entertainment. Another way outdoor lighting enhances your Flower Mound home's curb appeal is by setting the mood for evening entertainment. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, a barbecue, or a casual gathering with friends and family, outdoor lighting helps create a relaxed and inviting ambiance. String lights over your patio or deck, wall-mounted lanterns, or landscape lighting can turn an ordinary outdoor area into a charming, well-lit space perfect for gatherings. Adding outdoor lighting to your backyard also extends the use of your outdoor living spaces long into the evening, making them more versatile. A beautifully lit patio or garden area can become an outdoor sanctuary where you can unwind, entertain, or enjoy time with loved ones. Choosing energy-efficient lighting options. With growing concerns about energy usage, many homeowners are opting for energy-efficient outdoor lighting solutions. LED lighting is a popular choice due to its low energy consumption, long lifespan, and bright illumination. LED outdoor lights are available in a variety of styles and designs, making them an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while still enhancing their home's appearance. Installing energy-efficient lighting not only saves money on your electric bill but also reduces your impact on the environment, making it a smart choice for homeowners looking to make a positive difference. Conclusion: elevate your Flower Mound home's curb appeal with outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting installation is an investment that can dramatically enhance your Flower Mound home's curb appeal, security, and overall aesthetic. By highlighting architectural features, creating a welcoming atmosphere, and increasing safety, professional outdoor lighting transforms your home into a more inviting and attractive property. Whether you're improving your home's appearance for resale or simply looking to enhance your living space, outdoor lighting offers an elegant, practical solution that adds both style and functionality to your home. Reach out to a local outdoor lighting expert today and discover how custom lighting designs can elevate your home's exterior for years to come.